If you've been using Finelo and your portfolio has been growing, you might be wondering how to cash out your money. The answer depends on what you're referring to, and many new users are surprised by how the platform actually works. In this video, I'll explain whether you can withdraw money from Finelo and what your options are in 2026. Let's get started. First, it's important to understand what Finelo is. Finelo is a financial education platform that teaches investing and trading through interactive lessons, quizzes, and a built-in investment simulator. It is not a brokerage, and it doesn't allow users to invest or trade with real money directly. If you're using the investment simulator, the balance you see is completely virtual. Every new user receives virtual funds to practice trading in a risk-free environment. As you make successful trades, your portfolio may increase in value, but those profits are simulated and cannot be converted into real money. Because of this, there is no withdrawal or cash-out option for simulator earnings. Even if your virtual account shows a profit, those funds are designed only to help you learn how investing works without risking real money. If your goal is to make real investments, you'll need to open an account with a licensed brokerage after learning the basics. Finelo is designed to prepare you for real investing, not to hold or pay out investment profits. If you're looking for information about your Finelo subscription instead, that's a different matter. You can manage your subscription through your account settings, where you can update your billing information, cancel automatic renewals, or contact customer support if you have questions about charges or refunds. So, can you cash out money from Finelo in 2026? If you're referring to the investment simulator, the answer is no. The money and profits shown in the simulator are virtual and cannot be withdrawn. Finelo is an educational platform designed to help you build investing skills before entering the real financial markets. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and leave a comment below with any other questions you have about Finelo.